Hi guys, it's Sandy here, and today I thought it would be really fun if I vlog my day because I'm going to the salon for the first time in a little over a year. So the last time I went to the salon was December 2019. Yes. Yeah, my hair is like it's having a moment. Like the ends are just a situation. It has no shape because this hair grew out from a bob. I'm heading over to Ultimate Stylist today and they are going to take care of my hair and I am going to take you along with. And this is the fit. We're going with oversized shirt vibes today. Nice and comfy, so let's go. And the salon did give me permission to record everything, so I'm literally taking my equipment with me. So I went to the Ultimate Stylist at Walmer Park Shopping Center and let's have a look at their gorgeous salon on the inside. This is my wonderful stylist V who worked on my hair. Now this is what my hair looked like before we did anything to it. My undercut really needed to be dealt with because I had been maintaining it myself. It had gotten a bit skew, so V just straightened that up and shaved it. This was really interesting for me to watch because this is actually the first time I ever got to see someone shaving the back of my head. So this is really fun to watch. And it was nice and short. It feels so amazing to have long hair over this really short patch at the back. Ultimate Stylists have the most amazing set of hair dyes in every color you can imagine, and I ended up going for a dark red. So this dye kind of lifts the color itself. So you'll see that V is just applying this dye on my hair without putting any peroxide, which I was really happy about because the last time I had peroxide in my hair just dyed and flaked into pieces. So you know the situation, applying the dye and then we're putting the foils, slowly turning my head into a space helmet. So I'm just speeding up this footage because this is quite a lengthy process. So amazing to look back at this footage and the amount of detail that went into coloring my hair, you know, leaving some pieces black and then strategically placing the color in certain pieces. There's actually two types of dye that was used. So it's the red that you see and like a little lighter one, so that all of my streaks weren't just like one shade of red, but like a red going into like a lighter pinkish type of color. So there's like some different tones going on in here, which is why this hairstyle was honestly just artwork. That is what it was. It was a masterpiece. The color was just so amazing, and it's difficult to pick up on camera, but in person it's absolutely amazing. So here we have the foils, you know, the vobs. We let it sit for like 40 to 50 minutes, I think. While the dye was doing its thing, I just walked around the salon and they sell so many different hair products. They also sell a whole range of GHD heat styling tools. I actually bought my GHD hair iron from Ultimate Stylists a few years back. So first we had to take off all of those foils. Very many foils, one by one by one, and then just rinse out all of that color. I have a little funny story to tell. So later on that week, when I came home and I washed my hair myself for the first time, I was showering with my eyes closed and washing my hair, and then all of a sudden I opened my eyes and I was standing in a pool of bright red, and the way I screamed, not realizing that it was just the dye that was washing out of my hair. So they used a Kerastase shampoo and just gave my hair a wash. This next part is really cool. So I got a Kerastase hair treatment, and this basically helps with like the strength and the shine and specifically the texture of my hair, and to help reduce the frizz that I have when I leave my hair natural. If your hair is unmanageably frizzy, or you feel your hair is just really dry and lifeless, then consider asking your stylist for, such a hair treatment. While the treatment was vibing in my hair for 10 minutes, I got the best head massage I have ever had in my entire life. You can see there, I'm just having my best life. My eyes are closed. I almost fell asleep. Next, I had a Kerastase hair mask put on my hair, and I think this is just to help lock in and help protect that color that was just put on my hair. And it's actually suggested that I come back every month to have this hair mask put in. Then I did have my hair cut a bit, and I got some light layers done just so that my hair doesn't lie so flat anymore. After which I just had my hair blow dried and straightened and curled. I have such a horrible side profile, guys. Please don't look at my side profile, and the mask is just making me look like a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle from the side. Okay, so now I'm just getting a hair serum put in my hair, and at this point I think we're completely done with the style. Just loosening up those curls, making them nice and wavy. And this is the final look outside in the sunlight. This is little art. It is perfection. I cannot express how happy I am with my hair. So I'm back home and I'm literally obsessed with my hair. I cannot stop looking in the mirror and just wanting to touch it. It is so soft and light. It actually has a style to it. My hair was just so unloved for so long, and it just feels so good right now. And it's really hard to see the color on camera for some reason, but if you see it in real life, you can definitely see the red. It's a gorgeous deep red color. I love it, and this is such a nice way to get back into coloring my hair, because I think if I went for a bright red like that wig that I have, I would have been really unhappy after a day or two, because that's a really big adjustment. Another thing is, when you color your hair so drastically, or well, at least when I did the last time, my hair just, it died. It did not want to. It was breaking, it was flaking, it was just not good. Oh my gosh. Honestly, the hugest of thank you to my stylist V, who did my hair today. She was so incredible, as well as the whole team that was at Ultimate Stylist today for putting up with me and my filming. Everyone was just so nice. Y'all, this is a sign. Go get a haircut. Don't be like Sandy and not go to the salon for over a year. Go get a haircut. You will look amazing. You will feel amazing. I will link Ultimate Stylist's socials down below in the description, as well as my stylist's socials. So if you are in Port Elizabeth, if you are in Gqeberha, you can just hit her up. I got my undercut done as well. And she straightened it out for me because it was all ratchet and skew because I had been doing it myself. So yeah, I do hope you enjoyed today's little trip to the salon with me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!